Cowabunga, friends! I'm Splash the Sea Otter, your guide to the Golden State, California. From our amazing beaches to towering mountains, we're going to discover what makes this incredible place so special. Let's dive right in. Look at this awesome map of the United States. California is that long state right by the Pacific Ocean. We have Oregon's beautiful forests up north, Nevada, and Arizona's vast deserts to the east, and my favorite playground, the mighty Pacific Ocean, to the west. We have the longest coastline in the lower 48 states. That's 840 miles of stunning beaches and rocky cliffs. And we're incredibly huge. You could fit 30 Disneylands in just one county. Our tallest tree is longer than a football field, and our Central Valley grows more food than any other state. Let me show you our totally awesome state symbols. First up is the California poppy. These bright orange flowers cover our hills like cups of sunshine, visible even from space. Our state bird, the California Valley quail, has the coolest hairstyle, a fancy feather that looks just like a tiny surfboard. And the mighty grizzly bear is so special, it stands proudly on our state flag with a beautiful red star and stripe. Time for an epic road trip across California. Starting at the Pacific Coast, we have amazing beaches where I play with my otter friends while surfers catch perfect waves. Moving inland, we find the Central Valley, one giant garden stretching 450 miles, growing delicious fruits and vegetables. The magnificent Sierra Nevada mountains have Mount Whitney, the tallest peak in the lower 48 states, with trees so big you can drive through them. And our incredible deserts? Death Valley is the hottest, driest, lowest place in North America. Wow, what an incredible journey through California. We've discovered everything from our beautiful coastline to mysterious deserts, from towering mountains to fertile valleys. Next time, we'll dive into ocean adventures to meet my marine friends and explore fascinating tide pools. Until then, this is Splash saying, stay stoked and keep exploring. Cowabunga. You did it, adventurers! Subscribe and like to enjoy new stories every day. Scan the QR code for freebies like Coloring Book and Storybook. Link is also available in the video description section. Check it out and have fun. Bye.